How to find group settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find group settings from WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here we'll find just select any group like this one and then click on group profile, and here we'll find it group settings. Just click on it and then click this one. You can manage here anything you want and then just go back. It will be saved, and that's how to find group settings on WhatsApp. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.